Next, flag bytes with byte or character stuffing. Now let us see flag bytes with character stuffing. It follows some steps. First one, each frame start and end with special bytes. So each frame that we are receiving from network layer, that packets we are receiving, that have to convert into frame by data link layer. So that each frame start and end with special bytes. The starting and ending each frame has included with the special byte code, that is flag byte. Next, if the flag bytes occur in the frame, already flag bytes occur in the frame. Suppose if you take frame, that frame already contains a flag byte. Then you have to stuff. Stuff means include. Stuff an extra escape byte. So mainly this method is used in point-to-point protocol. Now let us take an example for this. Suppose if you take a frame delimited by flag bytes, means just include the flag byte start and end of each frame. So this is a frame. The frame starting and ending, just include the flag bytes, just name flag. And here the frame consists of header, payload field and trailer. So this just a frame. If already flag bytes in the frame, then what we have to do? We have to stuff an extra escape byte. So how it is possible? Let us see. So taking 4 example of byte sequence before and after stuffing. Let me take that original character taking here and after stuffing. So this is A, flag and B. Next message I am taking A, escape and B. Next A, escape, flag and B. Again A, escape, escape and B. So here flag is there, escape is there and flag is there. So 2 escape flags are present here. These are the original character flag. Now I am going to stuff the flag. Let us see. So here including A, so here flag is there. Flag byte should be followed with escape character. So including A, so the flag byte should be followed with escape character and flag and B. And here escape is there. So again include the another escape character. So including A, escape, original escape and B. And so here escape is there and flag is there. So before the escape you have to include one more escape, and before the flag you have to include escape character. So including A, escape, original escape, so escape, original flag and B. So here 2 escape flags are present here. So including A, here before original escape we have to include one more escape here. So before the original escape we have to one more escape here. So including A, escape, original escape, escape and original escape B. So total 4 escape we will get. So this is what actually this is flag byte and character stuffing.